I love French knots, and I'm going to show you how to make them. Pull the needle up through the fabric and wrap your floss around the needle 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Place the needle into the same hole and pull the floss away from the needle so you have a tight knot. Pull the needle back through the fabric, twisting your needle as you go. And now you've made a French knot. You might have to tighten your fabric after a few knots, or maybe after each knot. If you're having a hard time, pinch the floss against the needle as you're wrapping the floss around the needle. Then, hold the floss tight against the hoop and twist your needle. This will give you a nice and tight knot. If you're not holding the floss tight enough when you do your stitch, you're going to get a big, loose knot, just like this.